Hello beautiful, how are you today? I am super excited about this video. I get to do something that I have been obsessed with for my entire life. When I was a little girl, I didn't care about having dollies and Barbies and all that stuff. The only reason I ever had a Barbie or a doll was because I got to braid their hair. So I had one Barbie and one doll and that was it. But yeah, I was obsessed with braiding and I always wanted long hair so that I could braid my own hair, and then I would just go around braiding my hair all the time. My mother was like, Dee, do you ever stop? I'm like, nope. So I want to share with you how to French braid hair, and I'm going to try and break it down to as simple a instructional process as possible so that you get the gist of how to do it yourself, whether you're doing it for yourself or for someone else. I'm going to flip myself around and show you from the back all the way down and fast forward through parts that are kind of redundant, and let's get going. All right, you can either choose to use a comb with a little pick at the end and just start off right up at the top, just with a little piece like this, or if you want, you can make everything really large and start off with a section of your hair that is that large. I am going to start off with a little one and just take that section of hair there. Now you do not need to use a comb. You can just simply use your fingers if that is all you have. So take your hair and section it off into 3 parts. So 1, 2, and 3. And start with whatever side is comfortable for you and just take the one and move it over. Then this strand is the next one to move over, but you want to gather a little bit of hair and take it to the middle of your head. So right there, I hope you can see that. I cannot see into my camera right at the moment, but that is about halfway up my scalp, and I will combine those two and take that over top of the middle strand, pull the middle strand over to the side. Then this is the next strand here. Gather a little bit of extra hair up to the center of the scalp, smooth it out, and then fold that over that middle strand. Now you've got this side is next. Go ahead, take it up to the middle, smooth it all out. Make sure it's nice and tight, and pull that over top of that middle strand. And then just keep working down the head, just constantly gathering up a new section of hair, smoothing it out, and pulling it over that center strand. And then what you would do is simply start braiding all the way to the bottom. But I'm not going to do that. I am going to continue on all the way down my head. So that is my last piece that I'm pulling over. There's no more hair at the bottom there, and I'm simply going to complete the braid by just doing a simple, normal 3-strand braid. All right, here is the finished braid. I'm just going to take a soft rubber band or elastic band. This one is from a company called Goody. They have clear, I believe they have kind of a brown brunette color, and then this black one. I'm simply going to wrap it around the end. Until it becomes tight. And to finish it off, I'm just gonna take that and loop it up so that it looks clean to the finish. Now, if you want, you can just leave this the way it is, or because you've taken each strand right up to the center, there's going to be a hole all the way up the center of the head. And you can take this and hide it up inside underneath the remaining part of the braid. So that makes it look really clean. Then just take a couple of bobby pins and attach it so that it doesn't move. And crisscross, and as I said, have that ridged side down. Crisscross them, and there you are with the final outcome. Now, I am going to sleep on this tonight, and I will come back in the morning and remove the elastic band and show you what my hair looks like. And I hope this has helped. So I'll let you see what happens when I take it out. Thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you so much for being with me today. Please follow me on all my social media. I have everything listed in my description box below. Hit that subscribe button if you aren't already one of my beauties. And if you really like what you saw today, then go ahead and tap that notification bell. It will let you know the next time I upload new videos. And for all the beautiful comments that you leave in the comment section below, I appreciate it so much. So thank you, and remember, ladies, I am enough. I will see you in my next upload.